Iran's parliament suspends controversial internet restriction bill. According to intellectuals, the controversial bill will lead towards more prohibitions on the internet use in the nation, and hence the parliament of Iran has postponed the bill review event. The bill, titled as Protecting Users in Cyberspace and Organizing Social Media, was first proposed 3 years ago. However, critics and intellectuals say it is more of a bill targeting at commencement of even more controls and restrictions in a nation where most notable global digital services are already blocked. There has been an online petition currently with almost half a million signatures asking for the legislation to be discarded. On Sunday, Mohammed Javed Azhari Jahmoni, Minister of Information and Communications Technology, has vilified the bill through letters to Mohammad Baghir Ghalibaf, Parliament Speaker, and Ibrahim Raisi, President-elected. As explained by the outgoing Minister of the nation, that the controversial bill will restrict the users from total access to digital information and hence infallible and cyberspace decision-making role of the government, ultimately turning the ministry practically antiquated. Yet some of the lawmakers in the parliament may still want the long-lasting legislation bill to pass. Nevertheless, it will need the final approval by Guardian Council, standing at the supreme level as constitutional vetting body, for the bill to pass and become part of the law.